For half a century, Don Kuchenmeister has been a beekeeper in Georgia. In the past, he could easily find wild beehives to replenish his domestic stocks, but not these days.
Very seldom. There's not as many feral hives or wild hives anymore. The pesticide has eliminated most of that.
Kuchenmeister sees firsthand what scientists are also finding.
In the last 20 years or so, a number of us started to notice that we were losing our pollinators.
Pollinators include bees and many other insects, as well as hummingbirds and bats. They're essential to plant reproduction, carrying fertilizing pollen from one flower to another. Many of those pollinators are declining in highly industrialized nations because they're losing the places where they live.
The vital habitats where their food plants are. As these lands are converted from wildlands into housing developments, that sort of thing, and these habitats are broken up into smaller and smaller islands, that really is what is affecting our pollinators.
Until recently, pollinators as a group had been largely ignored by science and the public.
They're probably the most vital. They provide us with ecosystem services that touch just about every human being.
Almost 1/3 of the food we eat comes from pollinated plants. And then there are medicines, beverages, and fibers.
Now we're recognizing, because there is evidence that pollinators may be in trouble and there may be decline, that we need to pay attention to them.
Conservationists call for urgent measures to promote and protect pollinators by creating habitat and cultivating native plants in our own backyards, at school or at work, and in public gardens. If pollinators continue to decline, they warn, the consequences are obvious.
We're not going to have no fruits, no vegetables, and long term, the food system's going to dry up.
For This American Land, I'm Gary Stryker.